Mateta ma aciari gukorwo magitio mbeca cia kurugamirira mathomo oro undu umwe na tafarira ingi cia ukuria wa mathukuru ni undu ukoretwo githie na mbere na gucungiriria ciro ria urahanditwo igoti-ini kurumirira mateta ma aciari thukuru-ini wa airitu wa St George's guku Nairobi. Kuhitukira mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi, igoti rirakinyaniirie ati ni mugaru na watho arugamiriri anene a mathukuru gwitia aciari mbeca o ciothe itahitukitio ni Ministry ya Githomo. Itua riri ni rinyititwo mbaru ni Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba uria ugite thengia ya kigina kiria thirikari irutaga ni undu wa mahuthiro ma arutwo aciari matifatie gwitio mbeca ingi o ciothe, akiuga itua riria rirakinyaniirio ni igoti ni riguteithiriria Ministry ya Githomo gutacokiria ikinya arutani aria manyitikana makiagarara watho uyu.
No head teacher, no principal is allowed to levy any extra amount of money that is not allowed or that is not in the policies of government. Those levies, as we've said before, are illegal, and the court was just affirming our position that no levies should be taxed by teachers, by principals to parents, because we give free education and we do capitation to all those institutions.
Kuringana na mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi, matua o mothe ma arugamiriri a mathukuru kana maria mahitukitio thiini wa mishamanio ya aciari no muhaka mathingatithie watho uria uhete hinya Minister wa Githomo kuhitukia mbeca o ciothe ciguithaniirio gwitio aciari. Ogamba augite thirikari ndikuhe kanya ciiko ici guthie na mbere mathukuru-ini.
Whichever head teacher or principal that is found to be levying any other cost that is not permitted by government will face the full force of the law.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 702 iria cigaĩirwo sekta ya githomo, Ogamba ataririe ati thirikari iri na mubango wa kwandika wira arutani 24,000 ona kuhanora uguo akiaga kugweta kana kigina kiria kigaĩtwo ni undu wa githomo gitari marihini kiiganu gukinyaniria mbeca iria ciendekithĩtio ni undu wa mahuthiro ma arutwo. Uyu ari umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo magicungiriria arutani anene a mathukuru gwitia aciari mbeca makiria.
Hiyo mgao ya 701 billion is what we have now and is what we have to operate within. Whether or not is sufficient is of course a question out there, but kukuelezea kwamba ile requirement ya UNESCO ni kwamba katika education 20% iwe ndiye inatumika katika education. Kenya hii leo hiyo 701 billion is almost 28%. So we are already beyond the UNESCO standard.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.